In the event of a water damage emergency, call PuroClean of Cenla.
Hey, good morning, everybody. Making sure, yeah, that we're good. Okay, good morning. How you doing? Here's a look at cow cam out there in northeastern Beauregard Parish, and it was moving. Yeah, okay, it's moving. Yeah, that cow out there, though, pretty stationary. All right, so I like to take a look at the cows. I hope you enjoy it too. Let's go ahead and take a look at Alexandria. Any cows? No, just cars going down the road. Although one time I was in Lubbock, Texas, we were in a blizzard. We did a little blizzard chase, and yeah, the cattle actually got over the cattle fences because the snow drifts were too high, and there were just cows walking down the highway. Very cool. High clouds in place right now. Cold front has come through, and we are going to see quite the gorgeous day here. Actually, a couple of storms out in Texas there. We have a significant weather alert out here around there, Sam Rayburn. So pushing in toward Lufkin. That is going to impact the lake. So let's just say you're watching from out that way and you're fishing and you think, hey, this isn't going to be that bad. Could be some gusty winds with that storm out there. So there's a little brief severe weather outlook for you. Flooding is a big concern still. Those river levels are really coming up along the Mississippi, about 5 feet from the crest right now. We'll take a quick look at this. It looks like with the lack of rain up north, we have seen some stabilization with these numbers here, but a forecast crest of 54 feet. We're almost there, about 4 feet and some change away. That is going to crest next Tuesday. So we're 7 days out from that. So it's going to be a slow rise, but it's a broad crest. It's just going to be a very slow moving thing here. And we do get some rain that comes in as this is about to crest or just before that, but hopefully the hope here is that we don't see that continuing to rise up. So the Red River in Alexandria now falling 26.2, and the Black River, we've got that sensor back at 39.1. Forecast crest, it went to 41 briefly, but now it's at 46. So we're going to stick with that, which keeps it below flood stage. So still not going to be huge ramifications out of that. So temperatures right now, 69 degrees. Let's see, is it cutting in and out? It shouldn't be. We should be good to go. 68 degrees Alexandria, so that's the temperatures, near 70, but watch this here. Wind gusts today, they're going to be from the north. We're going to have winds at about 15 to 20 miles per hour on those gusts, northeast winds. Comes down a little bit later in the day, and then it's going to get clear and cool tonight with lows in the 40s. But look at this dew point here. This is going to show you right where that front is. It's very dry up to the north, and then down to the south here, dew points in the 60s. Down to 46 in Alexandria, so the front's through. It's going to be a low humidity kind of day, and I think that sticks around for tomorrow as well. So we also clear the skies out. You should have sound. Oh, hello. You have no sound. It keeps cutting in and out for you. Let's see. Are we good? It looks like I see my levels here. Everything looks good there. It should be fine. All right. Oh, reporting from College Station, Texas. Hey, I know you. All right. Yeah, you're good, man. I like you. All right. 77 degrees, 4 p.m., mostly sunny skies. And we are going to see these temperatures, I think, over the next few days slowly warming up, and we get that moisture to come back in. And of course, right around Easter time, that's when these thunderstorms do become an issue. So Futurecast, we just kind of go through the motions for a few days. There's Easter Sunday on the GFS model. Now, this is the scarier of the two models that shows pretty much a washout. I don't see that scenario being the most likely. I do think there's going to be rain late in the day into the evening, but again, we're going to fine tune this as we get a bit closer. I just posted about this, and it looks like the GFS is coming in faster, the Euro's coming in slower, so if the European were to verify, Easter's good, the storms come in late Sunday night into Monday, and we don't have to deal with the problems with the egg hunts and the sunrise services and all that stuff. Behind this system, we do clear things out, though I think we are going to be in a bit more active pattern, so yeah, we are going to see things switch back on here as we are still in the thick of severe season. There is your severe outlook for Easter Sunday, just kind of creeping into the area. We'll be watching this. This is 6 days out or 5 days out, 6 days out in the weather world because today is day one. And it's something we're going to be watching the trends on very closely because I know big day for everyone. We're going to have a lot of things going on there. So we're really keyed in on this one. We're going to keep you posted. 1/2 inch to 1 inch of rain. I think this is preliminary and light. So I think we're going to see more than that out of this system as it rolls through. And your rain chances respectably low still, but remember, we're kind of trending things in a certain direction here. So we're starting with 40% on Sunday, 50 on Monday. It's going to rain at some point in this time frame is what I'm thinking right now, and one of these days we're going to see those chances really popping up. So the question is that Sunday or is that Monday? Beyond that system, we're going to be warm, we're going to be kind of humid, we're going to keep a stormy pattern in as that subtropical jet continues to feed systems into the area, so we will be above normal on the precip to end the month. So April 23rd to the 29th, it looks pretty darn wet. All right, I'm going to get out of here for today. Have a wonderful, what is it, Tuesday? Thank you, Jacob. I'm glad to see you in here. Where's my daughter? Is she around anywhere? All right, I'm going to get out of here, guys. I'll see you back here tomorrow. We'll have an update on that Easter forecast. I'll let you know what's going on. It does look like there is at least a decent risk, though, for some thunderstorms, and we'll be following that all week long. See you later.